Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your currency on Alibaba.com account. So first we're going to go to the Alibaba.com app. Then once you're here, we're going to click on My Alibaba found at the lower right corner of the app. Then next we're going to click on Settings found at the top right corner of the app. Then you're going to click on the currency button. So as you can see, there are different currencies here. You guys could choose your specific currency that's relevant to you. For example, I changed it to Euro. So when I go to my homepage, it's going to show me the prices in euros. So that's how you do it. But if you guys want to change it again, you guys could do the same step I did before. Go to your currency and change it to one you want. So that's how you basically do it. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. This is a very helpful shopping app, so make sure to download it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.